A garden fountain can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outdoor space. It not only serves as a beautiful focal point, but it also creates a relaxing and tranquil ambience that can help to reduce stress and anxiety. There are many garden fountain ideas that can enhance the beauty of your outdoor space. One of the most popular garden fountain ideas is to use a tiered fountain. This type of fountain consists of multiple tiers that cascade water from one level to another, creating a soothing sound and a stunning visual display. Tiered fountains come in a variety of sizes and styles, so it is easy to find one that fits your garden's design and aesthetic. Another idea is to use a wall-mounted fountain. This type of fountain is mounted on a wall or a fence, creating a unique and elegant display. Wall-mounted fountain can be made from a variety of materials, including stone, metal, and glass, and they come in a range of styles and designs. If you have a small garden or patio, consider using a tabletop fountain. This type of fountain is compact and can be placed on a table or a pedestal, creating a stunning display that doesn't take up too much space. Tabletop fountains come in a variety of styles and designs, so it is easy to find one that matches your garden's aesthetic. For a more contemporary look, consider using a minimalist fountain. This type of fountain features clean lines and simple shapes, creating a sleek and modern look that is perfect for contemporary gardens. Minimalist fountain can be made from a variety of materials including metal, stone, and glass, and they come in a range of sizes and styles. Finally, consider using a natural fountain. This type of fountain is made from natural materials such as rocks, pebbles, and driftwood, creating a stunning display that blends seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Natural fountains can be used in a variety of garden styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and contemporary. In conclusion, there are many garden fountain ideas that can enhance the beauty of your outdoor space. Whether you prefer a tiered fountain, a wall-mounted fountain, a tabletop fountain, a minimalist fountain, or a natural fountain, there is a fountain design that can fit your garden's style and aesthetic. By using a garden fountain, you can create a stunning and relaxing outdoor space that reflects your personality and style.